you can get one orca away, that air hole will close before you can come back and save the other one. No, there has to be a way to take both orcas at once. Yeah! How? I don't know. Like, if they just held on to each other. Yes! That would be so fun! One orca could hold the other's tail fin in its mouth.
Uh-huh. And how do we get them to do that? They're not exactly besties.
I know how! Music power! That's better. I'd like both of you to take a deep breath and hold it. Very good. Now please take his tail in your mouth and hold on tight. But no biting. Awesome, Mandy. Come on, Indy. I'll start him up and you speed him up. Strength power! Speed power! Wait! Look! The orcas let go! Mandy's hypno-flute wore off!
Come on! No! We're not in open water yet! I have never been so glad to see you guys ever! I don't know what to do.
I think Floof has a plan. Yes! A fish trail for the orcas to follow. Floof, you're a genius.
This way, Floof! We're almost there!
Amazing job, Floof! Amazing job, everyone! And look how happy the orcas are! Now that they have room to breathe, they're friends!